Hey guys, welcome to Nanda's Crafts. On today's video, I'm going to make the box number 4. In here, I have the size that I want. So it is 12 by 12 centimeters and it is 8 centimeters tall. And I have the 2 pieces that I'm going to glue on the bottom of the box. So this is going to be my second layer and my third layer. So you need 2 pieces on the bottom of the box because this one is the first layer. And I have 12 pieces that are gonna go on the side. And see that I can fold. And this one I cannot fold as well, so I need to cut a little bit. And I'll check again. I need to cut a little bit more, and there it is. Now it's just ready to be glued on the bottom of the box. You gotta make sure that you press this and you keep it holding and press until the paper is not moving anymore. See, right now I can move, see? So that's why you gotta take your time doing this. You're going to do this with all the pieces that you're gonna glue right here on the sides of the box. So don't let it go until the glue is settled. This is the part that you need to take a lot of time. And if you do want to watch how to make a box with more details, please click the link down below, which is the one that how to make a box number 1. And if you want, you can do this with the cloth. And there you go. Now I'm going to glue the sides. If you are watching this video for the first time, I will just show you how I do it. You gotta make sure that all the pieces you need to cut to fit in the box. And then cut. And check it again. See that I need to cut a little bit more and a little bit more. Okay. And now I check it on again. And it is good to glue. Now I'm going to glue this paper in this side over here, and then when I'm done gluing this side, I am going to glue this other 2 sides, and then I'll be right back. And now we're going to get all the corners together, and we're going to close with the masking tape. Now I'm going to add the 3rd layer, and I'm going to start with the bottom of the box. So add your paper in there. Make sure that it fits all in there. I need to cut a little bit on this side. Let's see. Okay, now check it again, and as you can see, fits right. It just fits in all the corners. So I just have to edit, glue, and glue this 3rd layer in a box. Okay, now I just need to glue the sides, which is the same way. See, that doesn't fit. Need to cut little by little to fit in there. With a small ruler, make sure that if the corners is not sitting all the way down, make sure that you push it down with a ruler like this. I'm just finished adding the fourth layer of the box, which is gonna be in this side, because I already glued these three sides over here, and now I need to glue on this side, and I need to cut the paper to fit in, and there you go. Trace a line and cut. And the box, it's all done, and the lid is just the same way as I did the box. So you just need to cut little by little and check it every time you cut the sides of the paper. So this is good to go, so it's ready to add some glue in here. Make sure that you take your time while you're gluing every piece of the box lid. You gotta make sure that the glue's settle in. So there you go, I already cut the piece to fit in here. So I just need to glue. Okay, now we're just gonna get the edges together and close with a masking tape. Okay, so let's finish this up. And now I just need to add the second layer of the bottom of the box, which is right here, that I need to cut to fit, and the layers that's gonna go on the sides. And then I'll be right back. And the box lid, it's all done. And this box lid is 12.7 by 12.7 centimeters. I can close the box with this lid, but it seems to be small for this box, because as soon as I cover this box with a scrapbook paper, and if I cover this lid with a scrapbook paper, this probably won't close the box anymore. And that's why I have another lid. This one is 12.8 by 12.8 centimeters. And with this box lid, I'll be able to close the box after I'm done. Cover this box with the scrapbook paper and the lid with the scrapbook paper. In the box, you gotta make sure that it looks flat in all the sides. While you make the box, or while the box it is dry, this gonna be look like this. It's gonna go in, so you gotta make sure that you push it out in all the sides. You just want to make sure it looks flat. It's not gonna be perfect, but it's gonna look flat. On my next video, I will cover this box with the scrapbook paper. And if you make a box, comment down below and let me know how your box turned out. Like this video if you like it, subscribe, share, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!